Hi amazing people, and welcome to again in this video series where I am going to tell being the corporate employee how you get maximize benefit of the expansion of the Indian economy, which is going to achieve $5 trillion economics by 2025. Being the corporate employee, how you get maximize exposures, maximize benefit. My dear friend, there is a lot of employee who is working in the corporate world. They are highly talented, they are highly capable, they are highly ability, they are very expert in their domain area, they are very highly successful in their niche area. Most important thing is that some employee that what they love, they do the same things. Many people they like some things, their heart is telling some things, but they like do some things like the compulsion of their life, compulsive behaviors, they are working in that working. But some people they like the same what they work, and most important for those people that they are highly successful to accumulate abundance of wealth in their life. They do, they work what they like most, and the same times they are able to collect a lot of abundance of the wealth. But a lot of employee, 98% imply that they love of doing, they also do, but they are not able to collect a lot of wealth. Their passion is that what they are working, but in the end of the month, when they get the as a compensation package, yeah, as a like the salary, they are not satisfied for those money. They are not getting a lot of support from their salary to fulfill their dream. Everyone had the dream, everyone had their personal mission of their life. They have family, they want to expand the quality of the time, they want to travel, they want to get a lot of luxurious lifestyles. They want to have like the comfort zone they are living, but for that they need huge amount. Some people, only 2% people imply they are very successful to accumulate the wealth. 98% imply are not able. It doesn't mean that they are not smart. It doesn't mean that they are not capable. They are more capable. But what missing is that they have no wealthy mindset. They have not create inner side of the being the wealthy. This is very important factors. And for the getting wealthy, sometimes what they do, they do the some positive thought, like the reading the book, going in the seminar, attending three days 4 day program on the motivational inspires of their life. They motivated. My dear friend, this is the bullshit, this is the liar. Again I am telling, it will be temporary relief. Unless until you cannot exercise, you cannot execute the wisdom, the thought, what you learn from your from the reading the book, yeah, from the any seminar, how can create the wealthy mindset in your personal life? It doesn't work, it cannot work. So mind, we should create the mindset, and I have the some methodology. This is the 5 step methodology where we have to develop the like the see the mindset, like somewhere it is like the blockage, and people have a lot of talented, but sometime due to this blockage they are unable to move ahead in their life. And through this methodology we help to shift this blockage. It cannot be removed, it can be replaced, it can be shipped somewhere. So we can create some positive mindset where you should know that where you stand, where you have to achieve after 5 years, and what you is stopping you. Through this 5 step methodology, you should come to know. So, my dear friend, see, in the corporate life, we know that in the, after 5 years, when company will expand in the multiple times, it means that your company will grow. If your contribution will be not appreciated, if you are unable to give the value to the company, if you are unable to give 3 times 4 times value to the company, how can you expect there will be the real growth in your life? So, giving the value, creating the value, it is like that, it is not happening due to some blockage. And many people, they have not wealthy mind, and because because that, see, it is not like the skill base, it is like the practical base. And sometimes people start thinking that they are being the failure, and they are blaming to each others, they are blaming to the parent, they are blaming to the company policy, they are blaming to the boss, they are blaming to the product and the company. They do not think about their self, they do not know what problem they are having, what illusion they are living in their life, what they are limiting belief, what they have the lacking of the skills. So, recognize of this problem, recognize of their circumstances which is inside. They is like the obstacle. This is the difficulty levels. They come to know and they have to remove. It is not very easy task. It is the step by step. We have to identify this blockage which is need to be changed immediately, which can be the replace ultimately. I am telling one thing is very important. If your life is fucked by someone, it is need to change immediately. You can't blame to to everyone's. If your life is the fucked by everyone, it means that you are the responsibility. Nobody is the responsible. You created such type of the atmosphere for yourself, and many peoples, they do not understand. They are living in this problem. That is the most challenging question. So, my dear friend, if you want to succeed, if you want to create more value in term of your knowledge, in term of the giving monetary income to the company, and this is the company that where you can get a lot of benefit in term of your compensation, perk, incentive, recognize, designations, because you are providing the value. Before that, you was providing the X value. Right now, it is growing 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. So, it is not like the bubble. Expansion of the business is the real. It will be the real expansion, because economics will be grow. It will be enhanced twofold within the 5 years. If economic will be for enhanced 2 times, it means that there is a lot of possibility that your business will be expand 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So, it is your role that how much you will give the value to the company, so that you will get the reward. If you are not getting the reward, then you have to think that whether you should continue with this company or not. But every company like value, every company like the employee who are creating a lot of value, who are creating a lot of legacy for their company. So, this is the more important thing, that you have to remove the blockage. You have to living in the positive mindset. You have to believe your inside systems, and you have to live in the open, that there you should be very care and very curious about your career growth, and what the obstacle is in surrounding, what is the opportunity in coming year, what is the possibility in coming year. You should try and you should grasp maximum, because see, sometimes due to corona, due to other economic recessions, we start living in the reactive. It means that we do not make the circumstances, and because we start thinking due to economic recession, due to lockdowns, there is a limited of the developing the business. It is not like that. If there will be crisis, but crisis will come the opportunity, and you have to see the what is the opportunity. Many people are unable to see the opportunity, opportunity is in everywhere. Crisis doesn't come alone. It comes with the opportunity. It comes with the some like developing your skills so that you can grab this opportunity. So my dear friend, creating the value for the company within the 5 years, it will be very helpful to grow your income and to enhance your income 4 times, 5 times. It is in your hand, and you can take the advantage of the expansion of the Indian economy. Indian economy is very one of the fastest growing company in this world, and there is a lot of opportunity, and this opportunity is in this area, in every company. You try and grasp maximum this opportunity, and I think life will be awaiting for you, and you live your luxurious life. You have some dream, fulfill your dream with your family. Ultimately your family is more important. Thank you very much.